I'm going to say this rascal's done. You know what would be really cool is if this were actually published somewhere on the web. The code is, but you can't actually browse to it, can you? So let's learn how to do that. Let's learn how to host this on GitHub Pages. GitHub has some simple static web hosting built in. Let's use it. Let's all do this. So go out to your repository on GitHub. And go to Settings, the Settings tab right here. Let's scroll down a bit, see what we got. Ooh, GitHub Pages. GitHub Pages is designed to host your personal, organization, or project pages from a GitHub repository. Neat. It's currently disabled. Select a source below to enable GitHub Pages for this repository. You probably don't have more than one branch, but I do. I have master and afternoon. Let's go with the master branch. Yeah.
Can you show how to get to the page?
To your GitHub page for this repository? Is that what you mean? So when you log into GitHub, if I just go to GitHub, this is what I get. Huh? What'd I do?
You just made a bad joke.
Okay. You'll see over here your repositories. So you probably don't have all that many. It'll probably be listed right there. Now for me, it's not actually on my GitHub account. It's on the one for the class. You can also go up to your avatar here and say your profile. And you'll see this list of repositories here. Now again, mine's not actually there. Yeah, that was a tutorial I made for my wife. Mine's under this GitHub org here, Action Bootcamp 2018 Session 1. So here's my user directory project. So browse to your list of repositories, find it there. Go to Settings. Scroll down to GitHub Pages. And turn it on. Let's turn it on for our master branch. Hit Save. Let's scroll back down to where it says GitHub Pages. And you'll see your site is ready to be published at some big, long path. I'm going to copy that path. Well, first of all, you can click on it and make sure it works. In my case, it doesn't for a rather complicated reason. Doesn't work either. Currently being built. It's currently being built. Okay, so give it a minute, basically. So I copied that URL, and here's what I'm going to do. Click right here to go back to the repository. Just click on the name of it here. It says no description, website, or topics provided. And there's a big edit button here. Let's edit that. And then in the field for website, paste that URL. And hit Save. So now, when I visit your repository, I can just click this and actually see it running. I don't have to pull it. I don't have to clone it to do that. And remember, you can always get to my version of this. It's always linked from the website. So day 2 here, go to projects. You'll see morning here. It'll take you right to that page. Here's the link to my running version, or you can look at the code here. So if I click on index.js, here's my code. If you want to actually copy and paste this, if at some point yours has just gotten messed up and you want to kind of start clean, just click on raw here to get that file, and you can just copy and paste right out of that. Now, that's the nuclear option. Commit what you have first so I can at least see the progress that you made. But if you need to just kind of start clean, you can always do that. Yeah. So under Settings, section for GitHub Pages, once you've turned it on, it'll say your site is published at whatever. I just copied that, and it looks like it's live now. And then back on the page for the repository, up here under Description, just hit Edit and paste it into where it says Website. Now, again, like I said, mine doesn't work for kind of a complicated reason. But see, does index, if I browse straight to index.html, if I browse straight to index.html, it does. So I will change my link to actually say index.html at the end. Yours probably won't need that. It's, like I said, it's complicated. It's because it's hosted on a different domain. Yeah, so you can actually see it running in the browser. So if you find that it doesn't work when you click it after it says that it should, try adding index.html to the end of the URL. All right, so that's GitHub pages. Now we need some homework.